Alright, hi guys. I just added that little attachment for the seat. I had to take this nonsense off. I had to open up that hole. Now I'm trying to find a way to fish a nut up there or a bolt so I can thread it into the back. Son of a bitch. Right in the mud too. Anyhow. Alright. This, I'll show you. God dang it. Alright, I had one of these. See that? You had it right there. Anyhow, I took it off and used the same holes, bolts, to add this, because it's a whole nother piece. I don't know if you guys can see that. But anyhow, so now I have a passenger seat. Cool, huh? Anyhow, I'm having trouble finding a way. Doing this with one hand. Finding a way to get that hole lined up and put a bolt through it. So I'm going to use this cool little necklace piece of shit to fish it up through there. I'm also going to put some passenger pegs I got from a buddy of mine. There we go. Cool, huh? Even says, I don't know if you can see that, Harley Davidson. But they go screwed into the body right there. You have to disassemble these, and then there's a Allen head key in there. Threads these in there. Cool, huh? Alright, anyhow, what a piece of shit. Just to haul a passenger. I got new shocks, but I think these appear to be pretty new, so I think I'm just gonna crank up the adjustment on them, make them a little stiffer, so that way they can handle a passenger. Next modification, sissy bar. So someone's leaning on that instead of me. Right on. Talk to you guys later. Bye.